Institutions are long. This is clear. Counter trend, weak, junky, little short. It's painful. Agree? That's it. If you saw multiple alerts on scanner, you knew quite well. It's not weakness, it's power. And that's phenomenal trading tool with trade recognition software and multi-market scanner for NinjaTrader 8. Multiple alerts showing up. Again, I chose to convert software on 1 minute chart. Again, institutions buying the market, this is retail short. We discussed all of this with my students. Dow rallying, S&P junky, retail short. So when institutions are long and you take in retail short, what is this chart showing you? Pay attention, please. This is the reason, students, my dearest friends for life. This identifies weakness. This identifies scroll. Again, if you missed the earlier discussions, let me remind you how important this moment is. S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. S&P skyrocketing on retail chart, stuck at brick wall from this level to this. No software on the right, software on my left, showing you versatility of the system and software. You also know this is crucial key moment, this level to follow. But this is a key. What is essential to respect? Institutions are long. Bullish rally drastically higher. Does this look familiar? It's institutional long yesterday morning. But right now, it's playing out on S&P on retail chart. Junky little short, respecting key level. It's a crawl, it's a pain. Institutions are long. You understand this is key moment on S&P right now. It's crucial. So here's identical level on Euro. Middle East crisis starts, Euro skyrocketing until it's not. Is everyone clear what's playing out on Euro? Do you know what to do with your position? No software on Euro, none is present. Software on S&P. I chose to convert to 1 minute chart. Here's identical level on Nvidia on my right, where Nvidia is selling off from. No software on Nvidia, software on S&P. And that's ultimate precision in the live markets with software for Ninja 8. But it is never a requirement to use the software. Never, ever, ever. Software is a phenomenal tool to day trade futures. But you make a personal decision. If day trading is not for you, trade stocks, trade Forex, trade crypto. You decide what you want to trade. Identical level on Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is selling off from. It is all the same. I recognized this in 2004 when I started building my systems. When I made the mistake, I thought I was looking on Russell, but I was actually looking on S&P. And it was the biggest revelation ever. It is all the same. The biggest mistake traders make is blocking pure price. That's it. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci precision. In the live markets, on S&P mini future, on Bitcoin, on Euro, on Nvidia, on Amazon. You can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, and you can day trade futures with software for NinjaTrader 8, with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. This remains key level, 54.93 to the downside. There is nothing else. Institutions remain firmly long. This was expected. So when you understand the power of this, you're exhaling. You stop chasing indicators, you stop gambling, you stop speculating. You're trading all markets as intelligent chess with ultimate precision on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Pound on my right without software. Software on S&P mini future. I chose to project on 1 minute chart. Trades played out on multiple other charts. Key moment remains. Intelligent trader understands we're at key levels this morning. Intelligent trader understands after this level to follow. Now comes drastically bigger selling pressure. Why? Instant bearish alert. Correct? Not single but double. Key moment remains. I promise you this never gets old. Identical sequence in everything around us. So stop wasting time chasing indicators, start using your limitless brain, and when you do, the skies are the limit. You can trade all markets as intelligent chess. So if you're ready to trade as intelligent trader, all markets, all time frames with ultimate precision, I look forward to working with you. We're preparing for a historical event, 17 spaces left in US election trading bootcamp. Value of $27.77 included, with a lifetime system for all platforms or software for Ninja 8 with group or private mentoring packages. Savings up to $10,000. So when you click on the details of Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, you will see it is included in every option. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, includes group course, video library modules, trading group. Group course, second most popular option, includes NinjaTrader 8 software. NinjaTrader 8 software option 2 and 4. If you are not on Ninja, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Every option includes lifetime system for all platforms. So please review details about the course, review details about the bootcamp, view students' performance, and do not hesitate to contact me. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as being updated as we speak, and enjoy video library of videos going back 14 years. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain and you trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, you actually start enjoying trading. Like Richard does, retiring trading the system. You can view the latest webinar on the website. And again, the details about bootcamp are here. The bootcamp appropriate for everyone. Day trader, position trader, option trader, stocks, index, commodities, futures, Forex trader. You will see instantly in the live classes every single day during October 21 through 30th. How to execute trades with precise entries, stop and targets on all instruments. How to trade alongside institutions. How to utilize proprietary system and Ninja 8 software for institutional level strategies. How to spot trend reversals, inceptions before they happen. How to trade consistently. How to stop losing money and optimize your mindset. As I teach my traders with 30 years of background in psychiatry and brain health, trading is a last stop. Trading is a reflection of all that you are. If you are a graduate of the course, please contact me for a special rate. Bootcamp will be recorded and again included in every option on the home page. So please view students' performance, listen to students' podcasts, because when fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends, it's an ultimate honor. And the reason I live and breathe what I do and wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to be here with you instead of working for Goldman, who keeps emailing me, and top institutions on the planet. So, simply pick up the phone and call. You ready to become serious trader? I look forward working with you. +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. This is S&P right now, moving lower, correct? We understand its key event on the bearish pullback this morning. We understand this level to follow, correct? We also understand price moves one step at a time. And when price comes to reversal zone, this will be crucial retail moment. identical stepping stone on pound on your right. This never gets old, I promise. That's how price moves. On every instrument, every time frame, every platform, or today trade software for NinjaTrader 8. Decision point 2 in a play now. In the course you learn it's a crucial key moment. That's it. So simply sign up on the website and you will be included in bootcamp. But if you are the graduate of the course, simply call or email me.